Alright y'all, welcome back once again. What do we have here? The Punisher? Really? I'm a huge fan of the Punisher, like you wouldn't believe. So yeah, what is it? It's a Punisher, I guess you might call it a locker lock. 4-dial combination, easy to set and reset, chrome-plated shackle, ultra premium casing. Yeah, Hero Elite. Boy. Ultra premium combination lock. Ultra premium. That's a lot. What we got in the back? Again, chrome plated shackle, 4-dial combination, easy to reset. Same thing as on the front. The Performa Promise. The only fitness products with a limited lifetime warranty. Wow. Yeah. Okay. By Marvel.com. So I guess Marvel owns the the rights to the Punisher franchise. Yeah, I've always been a fan of the Punisher, kind of like the Punisher movie. So here's how to reset the combination. Lift up the shackle, rotate it, push it down, and set your own combination. So right now it's all zeros. So it is all zeros now. And that's how you open it. Okay. So, how do you decode something like this? Well, I've actually checked it out already. So, what you got to do is, the first thing I tried, let me get with that. I'm going to close it back up and lock it. So, first thing I tried was the old school way. Just pulling on the shackle and trying to get these things to bind up and yada yada. I'll tell you what, I couldn't do it. Now, I'm not saying it's impossible, but I couldn't do it. Somebody else might be able to. I don't know. They just won't. They won't react to anything. Like you can't get one to you can't find the gates that way. And I pulled on it really hard and I gave it a good fight. So what I found is you can use one of these. This one's the Peterson mini knife, as seen here on the package. Peterson mini knife. But you know how we usually do these? We use the knife on the side of the wheel and we look for a little, kind of like a little divot, a little dent, if you will, on the wheel. Well, each one of these wheels has 2. So that threw me off. I was like, if each one has 2 little divots, we're going to call them, okay, little dents, divots, whatever. We're going to go with divots, just for the sake of the video. Each one has 2 of them. So if you reset the combination and you go and looking for those little divots, well, you can run into a problem. So I got to thinking, how am I going to work that out? The deal is there, out of the 2 divots on each wheel, one of them is sort of a flat spot. Let me see if I can find. Here's, okay, here it is right here. So there's a flat spot on the wheel at the number 9 right here right now. But it doesn't, the tool doesn't dig into it. It just kind of, you can feel it, it's flat, but it doesn't dig in. The actual divot, or gate, if you want to call it a gate, let me find it, is right here. Now listen to this, if you can hear it through the mic. You hear that? Kind of clicks in. That's a deeper one. That's the one we want to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it back up. It's all zeros. Boom, 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 boom. Lift it up. Rotate it. Push it down, push it, okay, let me see, lift it up, rotate it, push it down, and then we set our own combination. So I'm going to face it, well, I can't face it away from me. Let me try something here. Let me grab the magic towel, right? Used this before, remember that? Oh, come on, really? It's supposed to, maybe like that. All right, so I'm going to rotate the wheels underneath the towel. Obviously, I can't see through that. Rotate all 4 wheels. They're scrambled up pretty good, I'd say. So I don't have a clue where they're at. I'm going to pop it back up. I'm going to lock it. And then I'm going to rotate the wheels so I don't know the combination. All right. scrambled up really good. Now, I have no clue what the number for this lock is. Let's put it back to the zeros just to show. 0, 0, 0, and 0. So it's definitely not zeros anymore. So now I don't have a clue what the combination is. So let's try the knife trick. Like I said, we want to not look for the flat spots, but we want to look for the divot, the one that the tool actually kind of digs into. So I'm going to rotate them around. Looking for, oh, here's, okay, that one's the flat spot. See how it doesn't like click? It's flat, but it doesn't click. The tool's not digging into it. So I'm going to keep rotating till I find the actual divot. There it is right here. You hear that? So there's that one. Let's go around this one. Okay, there's the flat spot. That's the one we don't want. Oh, here it is. There's that one. I don't know if you can hear that. There's that one. Let's go with this one. Okay, wait a minute. That 2, that was the wrong one. So there's the flat spot. So let's keep rotating. There we go. There's the divot we want on that one. Okay. Keep going. Alright, the 3 has the flat spot. That's not the one we want. There we go. Alright, so lined up here is 8, 9, 6, 7, but that's not the combination. The combination is actually over here. 5, 6, 3, 4. So once you've lined up all them little divots that I keep talking about, the little, they really dig in. You'll know when you're there. Rotate them counterclockwise. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Just like that. So, pretty cool, right? What is this anyway? Performa? The Performa Punisher. I kind of like it. Yeah, definitely a low security lock, especially when it comes to something like a brute force attack. I mean, this thing, it's pretty puny. It's got some weight to it, but still, definitely very low security as far as physical attack. Obviously, it can be decoded, but not too easily, and you're probably going to need a special tool to do it. So I don't know if that's going to happen in a real world scenario, because I don't think you can decode it by just simply pulling on it and doing it that way. So, anyhoodles, there it is. The Punisher combination lock Performa. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so. And you know, I've said it before, if you buy these tools right here, the Peterson mini knife, buy more than one. They're very thin and they're easy to jack up. Trust me. Alright, so that's it. Thank you very much.